Hi everyone.
Hi. Charlie is obsessed with the new.
I am indeed.
The new. The good C. The good C.
Vitamin C serum has finally arrived, but it's a good one. Maybe can you explain why it's good?
So, we have been in so much discussion in the last year when we were all in lockdown and we were doing lives with you guys and everybody was asking me about the C, and I was always like, pay attention to the formulation, to the dosage, pay attention because it can also really disrupt your skin barrier. So now I thought, okay, I have to get a good C out for you guys because also Charlie wanted to take it. And C is such a great ingredient, not just to take internally. And internally we actually take quite high dosages. I actually take 2 times 1,000 milligrams a day, which is really great. But on the skin, we have to be really careful what kind of formulation we choose and the percentage and the dosage. Because if we just put a lot of free vitamin C on our skin, like ascorbic acid, it just really disrupts our skin barrier. It's very aggressive and it doesn't do any good. So we chose different forms of vitamin C which penetrate into deeper layers of the skin, and our skin can actually choose which form of vitamin C they prefer. And vitamin C is good, we know that. And
yes. I am currently using it, or I've started using it actually like 2 months ago. And part of the reason why I thought it'd be good for my skin was because, first of all, my skin is very dry, and I find this serum to be very hydrating. And second of all, I have a very uneven skin tone and also acne scarring that you can't really see right now, but like, and it got so much better with this, like around this area, around my chin area, like little spots of hyperpigmentation. So
it's good for that. It's good for an anti-aging benefit. It's good for...
So preventative for me.
Exactly. I use it definitely for anti-aging benefits and catching free radicals and helping to rebuild collagen. I think these are the more important things for me. For Charlie, it's more the effect of brightening and helping with the scarring. So it has multiple facets. But what I really think it should be really every morning, every night. I've been using it now, and I love it. The formulation is great. Can you give me a little bit?
I think it's also important to mention, so it's a lipid-based serum, so you would apply it after your hyaluronic serum, after your see-through clear serums.
Exactly, I think that is a really important point. So,
and before your moisturizer.
Yes, exactly. This is the place where it has in our skincare routine, and it feels so good. So really don't ever use anything which makes your skin red, aggressive, tingling, burning. It needs to feel like so nice and soft and good for your skin, and it shouldn't cause any harm to your skin. So this one is perfect. Anti-inflammatory ingredients. It also has ingredients like aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, zinc, sunflower seed oil, most beautiful ingredient, apricot core oil, to really also help with sensitivity of the skin. And it's a good C, the good C. Guys, are you ready for the good C?
I mean, I certainly am or was.
Mwah.
Bye guys.